Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about the Bank Nifty forecast for upcoming week from 13th to 17th of December. As usual, I have taken the Bank Nifty daily chart and added moving averages 10, 20, 50 and 100. Along with this, I have added a Fibo retracement connecting the highs and lows of last week. Complete week, I have added that, taken the high and low of previous week, and I have added the Fibo retracement. Now this is quite interesting. Hope all of you are aware about the hero and villain story which I have correlated with the Nifty during last week. It happened exactly as I mentioned. Same kind of situation has happened in Bank Nifty as well. This was the place where fall has got initiated. First attempt got failed, second attempt also got failed, and third attempt it has succeeded. And to add on to this, it has retested the breakout area and moved higher on Friday. So in this case, we can expect a beautiful rally in Bank Nifty during next week if the previous week high is crossed. What is the previous week high? This one, 37,387 odd levels. So 97 odd levels. Let's make it as 37,400. If Bank Nifty is able to cross 37,400 and sustain above it, maybe if it gives a hourly close or even a daily close, but below hourly close it will be a challenging task. Any close above 1 hour time frame, maybe 1 hour time frame or 2 hours or 3 hours or even one day, any time frame, if it manages a close above 37,400, we are expected to see a superb rally in Bank Nifty. And to add on to this, two biggies of Bank Nifty haven't yet performed. You might have seen a rally in Axis Bank from 630, 640 odd levels to 700 levels, and we have seen a rally in ICICI Bank from uh, somewhere near 720, 710 odd levels to 760 odd levels. We have seen State Bank of India moved from 454 to 495 again. Here also the number game works, 45 and 95. But HDFC Bank has moved only 35 points from 1500. And the same way, Kotak Bank, in fact, haven't even participated in this rally. From 2020, 2030 odd levels, it had fell down to 1900 levels. So if these two are going to pick up, definitely there are chances Bank Nifty is going to move much higher than Nifty in a faster manner. In addition with this, I am seeing a flag and pole pattern in Bank Nifty. So this will be the pole and this particular area will be the flag. Let us see it in hourly time frame. It will be very clear for you. See here, this will be the pole and this will be the flag. Multiple times we have discussed about this pattern. Whenever a flag and pole pattern breaks out on the higher side, the height or the number of points which the pole is having will be the target on the higher side. Let us see what is the target which we can expect. So over here it is 35,697, maybe 35,700 levels, and over here it is 37,900, sorry, 37,386, 37,400. So probably 1,700 points is the length or height of the pole, which means we can expect a 1,700 points move on the higher side if the high of last week's is getting broken, maybe Monday or Tuesday. If it happens on Monday or Tuesday, there are very good chances that the rally could continue and 1,700 points could be reached, maybe not even 1,700, probably 1,400 to 1,500 points could be reached in within a week. If it is giving a breakout after Wednesday or probably in first half of Wednesday itself, maybe Monday, Monday and Tuesday it is staying below this level, and then on Wednesday if it is giving a breakout, then the rally will be continued till next week. But on any case, the height of the pole will be the target. Slowly or fastly, it will definitely getting moved over there. In between this, I have marked the significant support and resistance areas. See the support and resistance areas which I have marked. Okay. On the downside, the initial support will be the earlier retest area, that is 36,851. This particular line, this line one which is available over here. Okay, on the right corner you will be able to see the values. 36,851 will be the initial support, below which the strong support lies at 36,350. It is very hard to move over there. Only if Nifty gives a breakdown below 17,400 odd levels, we can expect this 36,350 levels in Bank Nifty, or else we will definitely march higher. On the higher side, the first level to break is 37,389, and the next point from there will be, it will be 600 points from there. Sorry, it's not 600, 37 for 300, sorry, 37,400 to 37,900. It will be 500 points. Okay, from there it can move 500 points in very quick time frame, but crossing this will be a difficult task. If it is crossed, definitely our 1,500 or 1,400 point target will get achieved. Mark these levels and try to take any call option on the long side if there is a dip in Bank Nifty on Monday towards the breakout retest area, which means 36,850 levels. You need not wait for the exact level of 36,850. Maybe 36,900, 36,950 levels also. If Bank Nifty is dropping down, you can take a call option. I am not able to find a call option at right strike price, at right pricing right now, because everything is highly priced as of now. On Monday, because of time decay, the values get reduced. So maybe on Monday or before Tuesday afternoon, midday, which means before European opening markets, if there is a dip towards this particular zone, try to take a call as per your capability. Probably any call which is priced somewhere between 180 to 240 will be a good bet, because your investment will not exceed 5,000 to 6,000 rupees. And on the higher side, the targets are mentioned over here. When the target reaches or nears, you can exit your call option. So I hope this levels will help you for trading in Bank Nifty next week. Have a good day. See you all. Bye.